Here's the first food question.
Sure.
Gnocchi is a type of pasta, but which is a main ingredient added to it? What is that ingredient?
Wait, so how do we answer this? Because once he answers or I answer it, then that's kind of the answer.
Wait. So you're giving us multiple choices?
I didn't finish talking.
Oh, he just
my
cut
bad.
right in
I
like
just-
a
because-
fart in the wind, bro.
Think you guys are
Alright,
typical
go ahead.
Italians.
Damn,
What's finito
shit.
de
I just
peritare.
need to know. I need to know the rules. Like, am I just spewing it out, or is there a way to say the answer? But go
All
ahead.
right. So let's start this again.
Let's start it all over.
All right, here we go.
So here's question
ready.
1.
Okay.
Gnocchi is a type of pasta, but with a main ingredient added. What is that main ingredient? Tomato, spinach, potato, or Parmesan?
Potato.
G?
Potato.
Potato.